5. As porcelain furnace operation process. Connect the machine power cord, vacuum pump power supply. Whether the air pipe is properly connected. Turn on the device switch button. The system automatically enters the main interface. Left interface centering curve. Right interface furnace temperature. Furnace centering heating power percentage. Bottom running time. Time left. Top program name, current paragraph. How to set up the background. Click the computer button in the upper right corner. Enter the device background. The language can be switched in the background of the device. Connect to Wi-Fi. Can connect to the internet. Back to home page. The connected Wi-Fi sign is displayed in the upper left corner. System status. Yellow means idle. Green means running. Click the button in the lower right corner. Enter the operation interface. Upper button vacuum. Yellow vacuum closed state. Green vacuum is on. Up button. Down button. Program running. Program stops. Click text button. Enter the writing program interface. Click to edit. Can edit the desired program. Click the back button. Click on the three small dots in the lower left corner. Choose our corresponding program. For example, select ZD. It will display the ZD program. Choose GC Porcelain. Enter the GC Porcelain program interface. Click the download button. Download completed. Return. Lower the furnace. After the stove is lowered, place the porcelain material on the centering nail. Click to start. The furnace automatically rises. It will be preheated during the rising process. Our preheating is 350 degrees Celsius preheating. Preheating completed. Furnace automatically closes. Center in according to centering curve. Vacuuming at 500 degrees Celsius. Stop vacuuming at 840 degrees Celsius. The interface displays the rising temperature of the furnace. Enter the furnace centering curve interface. The furnace temperature is constantly rising. Power is running at full load. The running time is now 0. Preheating does not count. Remaining program time is 23 minutes.